To check your transaction history on Upwork, first log into your Upwork account. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop down menu, select Reports. On the Reports page, click on Transaction History. Here, you can view a comprehensive list of all your transactions, including payments, earnings, and fees. You can also filter your transaction history by date range or other specific criteria to easily find what you're looking for. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on using Upwork effectively.